Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing of this McLaren F1 GTR. It is the post-race weathered version. I do not have the main version, which was actually the both are main version. It's just like it's one is pre-weathered and one is post-weathered. Even though they did not mention, I think on the pre-weathered one that it's a pre-weathered, is just a normal version. So it's a Le Mans 2024 hour winner from the 1995. But we are not talking about Le Mans here. We are talking about this McLaren F1 GTR from the Mini GT. There are several cool versions of this car which has been released previously. I do not have all of them, I just have few of them, so I'm just going to show you those. So this is the stock version in gray, which is really cool. If you have saw some of the cool pictures of this car on Google or the videos, you will love this version. This is so good. They made it so beautifully. It just like goes right. When I have clicked many pictures of this. Next I have is this version of this car, the red one. It's a beautiful car, beautiful casting, beautiful colors. Looks amazing in this. So after this there are several other versions released, like I think one was the orange, which just recently came out, but I don't like it much, so I don't buy it. And after that there is another red version of this car. I think this is some race which has happened or something, I don't know, you guys tell me. The version belongs to that particular, and I love it literally. I just love this one. And last but not the least, isn't this cool? This is the coolest one from all of these so far, this Gulf livery car. You could have seen, you probably would have seen the unboxing video of this also. I think I have done the unboxing video and uploaded it on the YouTube for you guys, so don't forget to check it out. And now we have this amazing one. Look at this. Here is your box. I got it from this particular website, is the price and everything. I don't do promotion, these are not paid videos, so I don't talk much about the seller here. I only talk about cars because these are the reasons we all are here. These are the reason you guys are watching my videos, loving them, sharing them. Thank you so much for all your support so far, guys. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for hitting the camera again and again. This is how it is. Oh wow. This is just awesome. I just put everything on the side and just show you the car. Man, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. There are some detailing on the base as well. The wheels are not threaded. Oh, wait a second. That's fine. But look at this version. It's a post-race version, so little bit in matte. Looks like it's washed up in the rain. But this is just crazy. Let's have a closer look on the turntable. So here is your McLaren F1 GTR. A very cool casting. I was thinking initially that I'll show you guys all the cars on the turntable, but then I thought it's going to be a very long video and I want to keep it short for you guys to enjoy it more in less time. So you can see that this McLaren have all the liveries and everything that are needed to be on it. The back looks cool. The front looks aggressive. On the side we have all the detailings of Clinic number 459 with the British flag, and on the front the front light looks really cool with the focus lights and indicators detailed. This color and this car looks just fabulous in this livery. And even on the tires they did not miss to put the Michelin logo. I love these kind of castings with these kind of detailing. Awesome. And just so you know, the rear looks like it's a carbon fiber. Yeah, it's a carbon fiber detail on the spoiler. So which is cool, really nice. And you can see the sticker on the front. It says McLaren. It's a torn sticker kind of. So they really created it perfectly and beautifully. I am digging this one up. So that was your unboxing for the McLaren F1 GTR, and let me show you guys if this one rolls or not. You probably want to see, because all of these roll perfectly, and so does this one. See, rolls good, rolls amazing. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel. I upload these cool videos every weekend. I'm sure you'll love them. Till then, bye bye, take care.